Good morning, everybody. Leaving the place. As you can tell, it's still dark. It's coming up to about 7 o'clock now, and I decided, okay, I get started, even if it's a bit dark and I might get lost. I'll let you know how I get on. I'm aiming down this way. The arrow goes down this way, and after that, I don't know. The other reason for setting off early today is there's 70 kilometers to do, and I intend to do it because tomorrow is going to be raining again, so it's going to be lousy. So I'd rather be in Muxia, and then when I get there, I'll decide what to do. Okay, see you later. Okay, I just come from there. As you can tell, there's nothing to see. That's the sky down there. Fortunately, in front of me, there were a couple of guys walking with lights, so I followed them. But some lights down there, so I'm going to catch up with them just in case we're going to some other woods and I've got no lights. Hello again, still walking. Just come from down there, but it's getting lighter as you can see. And that's the view to admire as you walk. The sky is clear, but very dark down there where we are going. So I don't know if we're going to get some more rain later. I'm told tomorrow is going to rain, so I'm really trying to get to Muxia, so I missed the best part of it. My compadres are still ahead of me, but it's light now, so I don't need them anymore. Okay, here you go, guys. Sun behind me, and I've caught up with everybody. There's a couple of new people in front of me. My shadow down there, I think. Hola. Buen camino. Muchas gracias. And there you go. This is where I have to go. Got no idea where it's leading to yet. Hello again. As you can see, a little bit of panting going on here. Just been coming uphill. Obviously this area is okay because people living here, and I think it's probably for the view down there. That's the city I would imagine, and that's my favorite friend uphill. But I'm now in my stride, and there are signs to be seen everywhere, so I'm okay. All right, see you in a minute. Hello again, everyone. Look, I'm still walking. It's 1 o'clock, and look, there's a lake down there, I think, or a river, I don't know, but hills, all rolling hills. Far distance there, which is clouds, thick clouds. It's beginning to shower a little bit, but not heavy enough. I've just come from down there by this little contraction down there on the right, and I came from down there, middle somewhere. I don't know what it is. I've been climbing. There's another one coming in, very wary, and that's where I have to go. And I still don't have any idea how far I am from my destination. See you soon. There you go. I don't know if he's going the wrong way. Maybe he's not. He's going to Santiago. And oh, look at those little hills. You have to climb up and down. And down there, I suppose, is Finisterre and Muxia. Okay, so this is the place I'm in. the sun has come out, so you can see everybody's lounging out there, sunglasses on. And that's the view from where I am. Fields, but there's also a nice aroma coming off it, which the locals probably got used to because there's the residue on the ground there. At the moment it's not too bad, or maybe I've got used to it already. And that's where I am. Hotel Alberg Rio. It was a bit, there are some people from different countries who are a bit louder than everybody else. And a group of them just were eating and drinking in there. And I'm thinking, oh no, they are here. And I didn't sleep well last night. Well, hardly. So I am a bit naked. I wanted to stop in Muxia, but as I got on and on and on, up and down, various places, same scenery and passing people one after another, I decided, okay, I need to give my body a rest. Furthermore, I've only got another 2 stages to go, so it'll be Muxia and then from there to finish there, and that can be done either any day, but I'm going to stop in Muxia for maybe the night and maybe 2 nights, because I am not taking off from Spain until Thursday morning, so I've got plenty of time. Look, the jazz hands. The man is back. Where I am in Alvoria. I'll check that again. I am here for the night, and as you can see, the sun has decided to come out nice and beautiful. A little hour to tell me where I'm going the next morning, and that's awaiting. Okay, so this is another one of those little village that you go through, but it's a key area because from here you go either, yeah, chickens and cocks talking to you. Yeah, either go Finisterre left or you go right, Muxia. I don't know which is which yet. I will find out tomorrow morning or maybe tonight, so I don't get lost tomorrow morning. But here's the place. It's you can walk through it in 5 minutes. Nothing interesting to see. When I say nothing interesting, it's pretty much the village as it is. It's down the road. On the left there is the albergue I'm staying in. It's one of those family-run business. Why am I talking like this? Yeah, one of those family-run business, which is pension, albergue, and restaurant. It's a captured audience because there isn't anything else here. Okay, can you see the sign? It says Alviora, if you want to say it that way, but I keep thinking of it as alveoli. Those of you in sports science, you know what alveoli is. If you're in medicine, you know what it is. And I couldn't get it. Every time I think about it, alveoli came to my head. But alveora, yeah. And when I came in from this side, and that bus was here, and it's still here. So I had no idea it was here, but instinctively, I saw a sign pointing that way. I think, okay, that is my route, I carry on with it. And then only when I looked back, what was the bus doing there, that I saw the sign. Another one of my little foibles, because I'm always arriving at my destination without knowing that I arrived there. Okay, so this is the route on top there. No idea where from, but probably that top you see right at the back down there. That's probably where I was. Is the bus going? And there's been a lot of up and down, as physically, you know. So I've been taking it in my stride. Unfortunately, I've been doing a lot of too much sports lately, doing this and doing that, and basically my left ankle is complaining already. Saying, okay, you want to walk that much? You walk, but you won't be able to walk tomorrow. But like I said, I've got plenty of time, so I don't need to rush. I thought I'll stop here because there were things to see. Historical town or something? I don't know, so I haven't seen anything. What you saw earlier as the village, that's it. I like the sign. The sign is very nice. And I don't know if this is a private house or not. It's just as nice. I've been trying to look for a supermarket, but there's no supermarket here. So it means that tomorrow I'll have to make sure, or this morning or this afternoon, make sure I get some liquid, some fluid, anything. I don't want to buy plastic bottles. I don't buy back these plastic bottles anymore, so probably be something in one of those Tetra Pak, and then I'll carry it with me. Now, the other thing you should know is only came across maybe 2 cafes all the way from Negriera I was yesterday to here, but most importantly, not a single tap of water anywhere. So if you're not carrying water with you, you'll be walking 33 kilometers and you're going to be parched. So make sure you carry your water with you, otherwise you can have issues, I guarantee, okay? I carried a Tetra Pak of orange juice with me, and I carried that with me, and I had no idea how far I was, and I was feeling dry. So I passed somebody's house and they were using the hose. So I asked to fill it up again, and they did kindly. But fortunately, you know, I wasn't far from my destination. Having said that, I haven't drunk yet. I've showered, done the things that you should do when you're here, and that's it. And here is another weary traveler coming in. But that's it. So yeah, lesson to learn from this is make sure you carry your water with you, otherwise you're going to be in trouble. Okay, next one later. Hello. See, I'm sitting down on the brick wall. That's where I was just now. That's the entrance to the village, I would think. And as you come out, or as you come in, nice little tree lines here. A mini avenue, if you want to call it that, taking you down there into the village. And here's the weary man. It looks like he might be going through. If he is, there'll be another 33 kilometers before you reach Muxia. So definitely no supermarket here. I've just asked somebody. So I'll have to make do tomorrow. Alright, see you later.